This one is a bit small, but it looks ready.
No, do the big ones first.
The big boy, this one. This one.
Yep.
Come here. Ooh, Wooty. Snip. There's a lot of roots on this one.
Hmm.
Snip.
Okay. That's a chonker.
There you go. Big one.
Okay. That one's not ready yet. You just the big ones, yeah.
This one.
So you want that one?
That was the one I was talking about. Oh.
Okay. I think that most of them are ready anyway.
I don't know, there's some skinny ones. Go snip. There's a smaller radish.
Mm-hmm.
Did you say that one or still no?
That one.
This one?
Yep.
How is this ready?
They're ready. Kayla, they're ready.
Woo! Got a skinny bean.
Mm-hmm. And the guide tour. Cabbages are doing well. Strawberries are, I don't think we're going to get many this year. Cucumbers are now doing well. Tomatoes obviously doing really well. And peppers are doing really well. I don't think we're going to do very well with the rocket this year. It's a bit, yeah, need a bigger.
Skinny radish.
That's it.
Ooh.
And that's the harvest of the radishes.